Hi everybody, hi Dr. Bach. This is Bashira and it's Theorist highlight time for our social media post. So I decided to do a short little YouTube clip about my theorist and hopefully y'all enjoy it. So introducing Dr. Nicole A. Guillory. Let's take a moment to appreciate her beauty. She's an associate professor of curriculum and instruction at the Department of Secondary and Middle Grades Education in the Bagwell College of Education at Kennesaw State University, which is in Georgia State. Here are some of the journals that she's made appearances in: the Journal of Curriculum Theorizing, Journal of Curriculum and Pedagogy, Teaching Education, and Multicultural Education. Her specializations include hip-hop feminism, curriculum theory, and teacher education. Here is one of her quotes. I hope to facilitate an examination of pedagogy as a relational process, impacting and impacted by race and class, language, sexuality, location, generation, and gender tensions in the larger society. My intent is to help my students to read, question, and understand themselves and the world in more complex ways than they can, then to teach their own students to do the same. And here are some of her more recent journal contributions, which I wanted to include these because her titles really stuck out to me. Black Women Theorizing Curriculum, Studies in Color and Curves, A Love Letter to Black Mothers, which I read and it was fantastic. Reading, Rapping, Teaching, Finding My Place in Against a Peculiar Institution, Schooling Women, Hip-Hop Pedagogies of Black Women Rappers. And these are only 5 of her contributions. She's had numerous of them. Okay, well, I hope you all enjoyed Dr. Nicole Guillory. Thank you.